Alright, hello guys. I'm gonna be installing this little voltmeter that I got from eBay on this little Geo Metro. I think I showed you like a couple weeks ago. So right in here is where I'm gonna put it because the Geo Metro never had a voltmeter. The camera's warning my battery's low, so I'm gonna put it like right here. Yeah, it's not gonna be as easy to see, so I'm gonna have to like lean over to see what it says, but I couldn't find a better spot for it, so that's the best spot I could think of. Unless if I can fit it up here. No, I'm gonna leave it down here. Oh, I'll put it here. Yeah. Because I'm not gonna use that for anything else, I don't think. So, what I got here is a wire extension because these wires are too short. It's a little thick, but I just found it, or my stepdad gave it to me. And I got these little, I forgot what you call these. What I'm gonna do first is find a place where I can hook up the wires. Okay, I got the voltmeter in. There's like a little gap I made it into here, so I pulled it under from here down into here. And we put that back up. So now here's the wires, and here's the extension because that's how far it goes. So I'm gonna put this little sleeve on each side and hook them up. Okay, I hooked up the wire extension. I'm gonna use this battery to test if it works. So here's the negative, and here's the positive, and it's working. There we go. Now we gotta find us how we can set this up. So I got this all connected together. I'm gonna tuck this in a little bit. Use this torch to melt that. Well, not melt it, but to shrink this wire guard. So now I'm gonna tuck it back in here. I'm gonna leave it a little bit exposed just in case if I need to adjust. Okay, I think I got this wire set up. So if I put this wire in here and have that wire grounded there, the voltmeter is on. You can't see it, but it's on. If I put it in good, there we go. So I'm gonna now turn the flash back on. So that's the wire where I'm gonna be connecting it to. I'm probably gonna like strip it like around here and see if I can connect it. Get the wires wired up. Right there's the grounded. There's the other one. Where is it at? There it is. It's wired up to that wire. I couldn't find electrical tape, so you just use this red tape here, and it should work just fine. And now I'm gonna double check if this works. Yeah. Put it in. Yep, and it works. So now we gotta shove these wires somewhere because I don't want these dangling around. I'm gonna stick them somewhere, so that's what I'm gonna do next. The wires tucked in. They're a little bit showing, but they're mostly tucked in now, and the pedals are not covered up with wires now. And there we go, it's all hooked up. Except one more thing I need to do is just glue it on here because it still wiggles around. It's gonna fall off. And also I need to put this back in. So I'm gonna be doing this too. See? Look at that, it just fell off. So I'm just gonna put it back up here. And like when I try to move these wires, it just falls. Okay, got this super glued here. So right now that's solid, it's not gonna move. Unless I push really hard. So I super glued it with some Gorilla super glue. And now I got a voltmeter on here now. Let's check in it, double check if it works. And if I can get the key. Like, this is the problem right now. It's stuck like that. Oh, there we go, got it. Yep, and there we go, it works. And there we go. It wasn't too hard. Yeah, if you learned something from here, you can go ahead and like the button, hit the like button, and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Because I'm going to do a lot more fixing on this car.